My beloved students of Strata Control Technology, welcome to our lecture number 39 of MN 6142 Strata Control Technology on 12th March 2021, which is supposed to be officially last working day as far as theory classes are concerned. But don't worry, depending on the requirement, we can also have some extra classes for any further discussion on our subject Strata Control Technology MN 6142 at any time. Now, if my voice is clear, I would like to share some slides. Let me know through somebody. Somebody can unmute and tell me whether my voice is audible. Yes, no. Anybody can tell me whether my voice is audible, otherwise we will.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Options. Acha, very good. Why so much delay in telling? So I wish you should take extra care on this COVID-19, because you must be knowing there is a lockdown imposed in Nagpur, I think for 1 week. So take care of it first. And now let me share the slide so that we should also have some type of review of whatever we are doing in this semester, as well as something left out about that also we are supposed to discuss. Are you able to see the slide?
Yes, sir.
Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
So welcome back to our online teaching learning process on Strata Control Technology to lecture number 39 on 12th March 2021. There may be some extra classes required to fulfill the requirements, and as I told in the last class, whatever something left out in addition to our assignments which were taken on learning based education. So we have discussed, I think, sufficiently on this instrumentation for evaluation of strata condition as a part of module 4 strata behavior studies, with different examples and case studies, as well as case studies on geotechnical instrumentation, and then demonstration of geotechnical instrumentation also. And of course, software, little bit we try to discuss. Any doubts, definitely we will take up on any of these issues. Then this is the last module where we have been discussing from the beginning what is the strata control cell, why it was required, and then what are the training needs, of course, of the first line supervisors for effective implementation of this. Little bit, although I used to discuss, but it is mandatory for us as a part of the syllabus, also pedagogy, that you also should know what is supposed to be understood as a strata control engineer. Although I tried to explain many times this organization of strata control cell, in which already we have seen many times, of course, about different examples we have seen, including so many disasters which took place and investigation reports related also we used to discuss, and that also gives some more ideas about what are the training needs, what are the responsibilities of whether it is a first line supervisor or whatever. So ultimately this organization of total our strata control cell, so that is very much supposed to be understood. Strata control cell, SCC, this is supposed to be understood along with the responsibilities which we used to discuss little bit. And as a part of this course, already I kept at that time in the initial stages also, along with the syllabus, the references, and then many supplementary reading related materials where some of the references and latest whatever we conducted some type of investigations, all those things I used to discuss. But before going for any additional materials, although we have so many latest materials of monitoring and other things, so I would like to just show related to this organization of strata control cell through the material which was already submitted to you. That was in the beginning of our semester itself on many courses that we conducted, more than 20 can say. 6, 7 are only in this place in NIT Rourkela. Already I told you why this strata control cell was supposed to be established and how this training was required. And we at NIT Rourkela trained by now more than 400-500 mining engineers, starting from E1 grade to even E8. General managers also were here for taking training, including some directors at present were also here taking training from our institute. Now, coming to the organization of the strata control cell, I would like to show that material in this which was already communicated to you so that it is easy for you, whether it is for the purpose of understanding the subject or for the purpose of even your examinations or the pedagogy or the information related to our strata control technology. As I told you before, what are, as a part of strata control cell, what are the manpower requirements and then training needs or the instruments for establishment of the strata control cell. All these materials I will be discussing in this itself, I think for about half an hour, and later we will take up your remaining any of your assignments left out and other details with some any additional classes required. We can decide upon that. By that time your CR should be ready to take care of it and take over. Now, purpose of the strata control cell monitoring instrumentation and numerical models, then laboratory method of measuring in situ stresses, and all these materials were already there with you. And designing supports, of course, we discussed at length in detail, and strata behavior also with so many case studies. Design of support, of course, we discussed in depth, and then geotechnical instrumentation, strata behavior, and then ground control systems and rock reinforcement, and strata control monitoring for underground workings. That is a course of action. Also, so many things. Even organization for strata control monitoring in Coal India, some experiences. All those things I will be discussing now. Then role of the geotechnical instrumentation, ground control techniques, whether it is open cast, underground, all these things comes under that. Then design of stoping parameters, because as a part of it, some metal mining aspects also can be understood. And but basically we were giving, as per the title of our course itself, strata control. So majority on the strata related issues. To justify our title, we were discussing more on that, but that doesn't mean that we are limited to that. We also communicated all these materials to you, and you must have seen so many references by this time. Of course, always you are most welcome to discuss with me for any doubts on 9938303259, and all other details are with you. All my beloved scholars and students of strata control technology who are learning online in India and other places also through YouTube. Now, support guidelines for deep learning, already we have seen it. So those materials which were already covered, I am not discussing on that, but there are some information. Now, in addition to this information, already some of our latest assignments which were done by our beloved students, they updated this data also. Not this was 2008 for the time being. At that time when we conducted that strata control conferences, our proceedings, our training in the industries, almost majority of the Coal India, whether it is MCL, WCL, SCCL or Singareni College, all that. So where already we used to discuss even the scenario even up to 2015, 16, 17 like that, even 20 also will be available in DGMS or some other references. And more than 60% were the accidents were attributed to strata control. Now here I would like to highlight little bit, my beloved students. Let me make it little bit more bigger size. Then this is a manpower decided at that time when we prepared, and we were also part of preparing that circular, DGMS circular during that time, along with Sri Mr. Lakshminarayan, who was my former colleague in Singareni and Deputy Director General, along with Sibal Saab, who was the DG at that time, used to prepare some circulars related to the strata control cell. And already I told you, we at NIT Rourkela is a pioneer in training for the first time in India on the strata control cell. And these are our manpower requirements at corporate level, how it should be. As I told you, when it is a cell, whether it is a something like your rescue station or first aid station, how to establish that, how to be manned, what type of manpower required, and in that what type of instrumentation or what type of facilities required. All those things we had a lot of deliberations over a couple of years, and then all these things were made. And some gist of it is at corporate level, there should be a strata control, strata management cell. It should be headed by a rank of EA, that is a general manager. Now there can be, don't worry, M1, M2, M3, whatever the name they give, right? Then this is ultimately a level of general manager who was at that time, who was here with us getting training on strata control, Mr. JP Gupta, who was General Manager Strata Control Cell in Bharat Coking Coal Limited. And of course, he is now director at ECL, and he was associated extensively on the Ministry Coal project along with me in North Chirmiri Pondri Hills, Southeastern Coalfield. First time when all these methods of thick seam mining were failing with CDF France and hydraulic mining by Germany, then we designed indigenous technologies. Thick seam mining by cable bolting in indigenously, that was in Southeastern Coalfield. He was the manager at that time. That's why I'm giving you some examples. You can also write the names. You will get a lot of information. And then from R&D sections, and then there should be a senior strata management officers and two senior strata monitoring officers, two geotechnical engineers, and one hydrogeologist of different grades who are also given by us at that time. And you may not find all this team, but this is the requirement as per the statute that we made at that time when strata control cell was established. And that was already I told you from the DG Director General of Mine Safety as well as Chairman Coal India, Mr. Narasimha Rao Saab and Sibal Saab. Okay, so we have given all these what should be the experience, what type of knowledge they should have. For example, I am not going through reading all these, but important points just I am highlighting here. The meaning here is, now you can see here, my beloved students, a geotechnical engineer like our Miss Ava Madam, who is also in charge of strata control cell in Mahanadi coalfields and doing PhD in NIT Rourkela only. Already I used to introduce her to you people sometime, I don't know. Then hydrogeologist shall have MSc Applied Geology. She did from MSc Tech from Indian School of Mines, right? Possess the knowledge of structural mapping, strata movement, measuring instrumentation, and all these things. Why I'm telling this is, these are the requirements. And when you are a strata control engineer or in charge, you are supposed to know all these. That's what is the meaning. And then that is at the corporate level. And then we have the requirements at different level, including whether it is area level you know very well. The corporate level means it is something like Singareni called this company limited, their corporate general manager R&D, right? That's very simple to understand. Then area level means it is a RG2 area, Ramagundam, under which there is a fatal accident we were discussing. And recent information.
Sir, your voice is not audible.
Any problem? Let me. Are you able to hear my voice? And this type of problems may arrangements like this. Like this, you can have 10 extra classes at your convenient time. Are you able to hear the voice now?
Yes,
Yes,
Are
sir.
you able to hear the voice?
yes, sir.
Yes,
No.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you able to hear the voice?
Yes, sir.
No. Okay, then it is not required.
Yes, sir.
So this is something like our mining, right? With so much safety factor, we work, or we like to work like that. And since we are talking about strata control, let me also just say for a few minutes utilize our whiteboard here. And you are able to see this board. Is it visible? Are you able to see the board? Are you able
Yes,
to
sir.
see
No,
the
sir.
board?
Yes, sir.
Board is not visible.
Visible, sir.
Visual, sir. Visual.
Yes, sir.
No, there may be some problem in this focus. Shall I adjust the focus, or are you able to see what we are trying to see? Strata control cell. So this is at 3 levels. So one is at the corporate level, corporate, and one at the area level, and another is at the mine level. At the mine level, what we are supposed to do. And at the corporate level, your general manager, strata control cell. So he can be your R&D, general manager R&D, whatever are generally being used in our mines. So he can be the in charge. And this is the way how they decided. If it is at the area level, then this is Ramagundam 2, where VKP mine, we are investigating that fatal accident, strata control, because of strata control problem. So in that, this is RG2, then some example. And if you consider this as a CCL, then general manager R&D is at a corporate level. And then in this, at the area level, then area safety officer is there, ASO, right? And also they have an area strata control engineer. So I can give you some example. Mr. Guruvaya, he is a GM here, taking care of corporate, and at the area strata control cell in charge is Mr. Sridhar, right? Sridhar, right? Example I'm giving, so that many of our students, they know them, they are coming with me. And then when it is a VKP mine, RG2 mine, like that, Mr. Rakesh and other people, they are the in charges. So this is a way how organization, right? How to organize the strata control cell. This is a way how it was done. Let me share the slide, and then from there let me explain. That will be more useful, so that this material will be useful for you when you are discussing, or when you study and try to understand your subject for the examination as a pedagogy also. All these materials are with you. So strata management cell shall be headed by a person not below the rank of deputy general manager. That's what we call it as a area strata management officer. Otherwise, this we made it as a their level person. Then at the mine level person, already I have given the names, giving the example, Mr. Guruvaya here at the corporate level, general manager R&D, and at area level, Mr. Sridhar in the total Ramagundam, Bellampalli and all those areas, Uppalapalli. And at the mine level, then there comes like our Rakesh and other people who are there at the mine, they are the in charge, and all these people are having first class mine manager certificate holder. This is very important. And of course, we can discuss so many things on that. And in that, we have given the requirements of some instrumentation should be available, and at the corporate level, area level, and mine level, so that if you have something like a rescue station, then you should have some type of rescue apparatus, so that you can train the people, you can use that in the case of emergency. All those things are very much required. So in that way, these are different instruments. I am not reading the total list. Already this material was made available to you. And if you have any doubts, definitely we can discuss anytime, starting from number 1, telltale, multi-point extensometer 2, whether it is a data logger, even DZ cam laptop, even LCD projector, ground penetrating radar, right? Different type of requirements we are given, and the instrumentation plan, how it is supposed to be done. Nowadays, we have included in the strata control and monitoring plan, SCAM, so many issues, but this is the way how it was initialized when strata control cell was being formed at that time, whether it is a long wall working, what type of instrumentation should be done, and if it is some other type of workings, what type of instrumentation, whether it is in the gate roads or in the different places. So it was given nicely at 30-meter interval, telltale should be there, convergence indicators, remote convergence indicator, load cells, and all those things, strain gauges, multi-point extensometer, open circuit hydraulic props provided with gauges 30 meter from the face, right? All these details were given, and even we are given for different type of workings like Bowden pillar, and for a long wall, what type of instrumentation should be used. In the similar way, when that Bowden pillar is worked by manual mining, what should be done? And if it is by some other mining with semi-mechanization, so what type of instrumentation we can use? All those details were provided as a guideline. And of course, later, depending on the experiences that concerned mines, or whether it is a depillering development, all those things were given, that it is a depillering by caving, and is a depillering by stowing, and then blasting gallery method, what type of instrumentation is required. All those details were given, like electronic type telltale, and then strain measuring instrument, magnetic extensometer, at least 5 stress meters, 5 convergence recorders, crank meters and joint meters as per requirement. This is the way, and even different mining methods like Weisstahl mining and other mining methods, how it should be monitored, and when it is a continuous miner panel, then how it should be monitored. All the details were given, and even the strata management plan was suggested at that time. And of course, over the time, we have made a lot of modifications, whether it can be a part of safety management plan and then risk assessment, so many things, so many assignments, and some parts, since that comes under some other subjects also, I try to give less time to that and more on understanding the subject and the present problems. So otherwise, even the safety or risk assessment and then environment related, all those things were covered in the previous many courses by you, my beloved students. If required, we can discuss, of course. And laboratory method of measuring, you know very well, I need not discuss much on that basically, but this is an important issue of in situ stress measurements. So hydrofracturing, you can note down somewhere, my beloved students. Hydrofracturing techniques are more common, that's are used. Anywhere you can write, even our in some examples also I used to explain to our beloved students of some of my junior student scientists who are working with me, who is in charge of this institute testing, like our Dubri Subramaniam is a head of that geotechnical department in Ministry Mines now. So his examples also I used to give, where they are testing now, that we have tested in so many mines in situ stresses with hydrofracturing method. Otherwise, overcoring methods are also used. And we did a lot of long back in 2000 Ministry of Mines project, where acoustic emission techniques, with Kaiser stress was done, where without testing, spending 50-60 lakhs of rupees for making holes and then testing by hydrofracturing. Even from the samples, we can understand that is a laboratory method of measuring in situ stresses also. We have done in 10 very important projects, hydroelectric projects. We have done in a very in detail all hydrofracturing techniques and other things. All these materials I have provided to you, and I hope some of the part of this, that's why I'm not going in details, because you already learned as a part of rock mechanics and geomechanics, what are these properties and joint properties, and then basic, all these things, and whether it is a triaxial compression test and other things, because we used to take these tests as an example for understanding. When depth is more, there what happens, that rock is already subjected to, suppose this is a rock, one rock is at 100-meter depth, one rock is at 1 kilometer depth. This rock is already submitted, right, at 100-meter depth, that much of in situ stresses. So when I take out this rock sample, whatever is the grains and other things are there. So when you apply load again, then there will be some type of anomaly after certain application of certain load. That is what is called a Kaiser stress. By acoustic techniques we do that. And then even it is a 1 kilometer, it is already 125 MPa stress is acting on that sample. When I take out and apply 25 MPa again, up to that there may not be much change in the acoustic emission. That's what is the gist of that, which we have done long back for 10 case studies of hydroelectric project throughout India, testing thousands of samples throughout India, right? Okay. These are some typical issues just I wanted to show. Then design of support system we discussed at length, so I need not talk much about that. All these rock mass rating and Q classifications, and then its details, of course. We used to discuss little bit since it was a part of other courses also. I tried to minimize the time for that and giving more importance for the present problems of strata control. Otherwise, all these things, whether it is a depillering, design of the supports, what are the norms, how it should be designed, and then other need of strata monitoring instrumentation, and where the problems are there, especially strata control problems in the coal mines, especially what are different approaches like empirical or observational, analytical methods, what is the basis, what are the techniques that we have been using. All that materials are already provided to you. This is one of the most typical set of instrumentation. Now you can see here, my beloved students, which I made long back as a scientist in Ministry Mines, and this has been referred by so many hundreds of people, scientists and faculty. The same figure is to see in many publications, right? So all these things we discussed at length. What is instrumentation to understand the strata behavior around any excavations, and then mining options, of course, that is for strata, dealing with strata control problems. Already we have seen strata behavior in whether it is a development, depillering workings, and then in that what in typical examples where we have conducted many investigations. All those data also I provided to you, whether it is RK Newtech mine, Kasipeta RK1A mine, GDK7 LEP. The GDK7 LEP is very notorious, where there was an inundation long back in 2000, maybe 3 or something like that, and then RK1A where many fatal accidents took place. So all these, whether it is a development or depillering, it's rock mass rating, and then system of supports, and then its behavior when you utilize, what is the behavior of the roof, all those things with everything is provided to you with the support systems, and then whatever information is there with you, including what is the convergence and other data I provided to you as a part of the pedagogy, all the materials. And then purpose of strata monitoring instrumentation, you understood nicely. We used to spend a lot of time. Nowadays we are not using this recording type convergence meters. Otherwise you can write progressive machine tools or encardioRide or sensor mathematics. Even now also they must be manufacturing these. This is a simple convergence where you are recording with reference to time. It is simply a clock, something like that. There are so many types of instrumentation, whether it is hydraulic load cells, then load cells of strain gauge based roof bolt load cells. There are so many other Australian, New Zealand inflatable cells, or its operation, so many things, including vibrating wire, stress meters. We have seen already, of course, again, since this is a context, again, I am showing to you, my beloved students, already you have seen many times. So you are more acquainted with all these type of instrumentation, whether it is a sonic probe, fiber scope, right? Then tape extensometers, multi-point Borel extensometer, telltales. Telltales are already there with you already. You have seen, and at least I should show you. And of course, this telltale is different. This is auto warning telltale, which can warn like this. This is warning that today is your last official day of theory classes, 12th March for this semester. But don't worry, there is no end for teaching learning process or learning. This is a lifelong learning in NEP 2020. Anytime we can discuss based on your interest, of course. So this is a pressure cell, that is earth pressure cell we talk about, and where this is also there, but inside, right? So this also is to measure how much load is acting on the earth. That means you can install this in the floor, right, of whether it is a stowing or whatever, right? So that you will be measuring how much is the earth pressure, right? So it can be to understand even whether the GOF is filled with backfilling, whether load is coming on that or not. You will be surprised to see that there will not be any load initially, even for 1-2 years also, right? So that this is not taking any load, your backfilling, unless there is some convergence, even backfill stop or backfill go, also there will be some convergence. Then only the load will come on that backfilled materials. There are some type of even the prediction. So you should not say the word prediction, because any natural materials when you are dealing, you can give some warning, but you cannot predict. That's why this word of prediction was almost ruled out as far as rock mechanics, geomechanics, and this is not my word. It is even from whether it is a Professor S.S. Bismarck or our beloved Vander Marve and other people, Ferras, Bhishma Pitamakas, those also postulated, I should say, because it was written, and I had some personal interaction with them as a part of long back Ministry of Mines in 1998 at West Virginia or NIOSH or Pittsburgh centers, whatever. So there you can use the word warning, not the prediction. And even numerical analysis word is also not a befitting word. Numerical modeling you can say, because you have a lot of uncertainty in the data. That's what is the difference between solid mechanics and your rock mechanics or geomechanics. So why instrumentation is done, all those things we discussed. It is to generate the database, formulation of new guidelines, evaluation of capability of existing guidelines. There are so many issues we discussed and you understood. I think I need not reiterate many times. And there are so many issues, whether it is underground or open cast. As a part of it, we used to discuss. And you see some numerical models when it comes to overview, just for few minutes when our CR will take over, 2-3 minutes I will take, and then I will close down this. And of course, by the time you can give me the extra classes tomorrow, day after, whatever, depending on your availability, we can discuss so many things and complete the remaining assignments, because that is a part of our syllabus and online teaching learning process, but taking care of COVID-19 2021. Right, flat 5, this is a 5, it is a version. Nowadays it is even 7.7 versions were there. And I was using long back as a scientist in CMRS 1980s, flat version 2. Okay, now many of my students, they know, I used to discuss with them. But here it is, since material is there with you, already I told you, this is a finite difference model program. And then there are finite element, and there are so many other, but these are the softwares what we have in our mining department. So I am highlighting these, and already it is provided to you. They are continuum models, and then we have a discontinuum models like UDEC, 3DEC, and these are discontinuum models because we are supposed to use our rock materials are discontinuous, right? So, but there are so many reasons why you are going for continuum models, and these type of examples are given. Even if you write in the anywhere, you will be getting, even if you write my name and then numerical model or stress distribution, then you will be getting a lot of references or stata control, where this is even that is the reason why I said extensive application of numerical models were demonstrated by Jayantu 1999. Okay, this is nothing but one of my PhD in indigenous development of new technologies in India, which was later accepted by DGMS as a method of mining. That is nothing but Cherryberry caving method. When all our thick seam mining methods like hydraulic mining and blasting gallery methods were a failure in 1980s. That is the end of 1980s, 1999. That time you will get a lot of information where these references were shared with you with the models, what is a modeling result and what is the result of our observations. So these are the requirements of calibration of the models. So all those things I try to discuss with you, but here I would like to have a break because all the geotechnical instrumentation we have discussed at length before, and now let me have a break. Any good work also should have a break, and that break here is let me take attendance, my beloved students. Now over to CR to say about the latest status and when you are interested for some extra classes or whatever it is for the remaining, and we can decide. But officially today is supposed to be considered as the last working day as far as our theory classes is concerned. I am downloading the attendance. Yes.
So for the day, only single guy is left with the presentation.
Very nice. What about others? Those who are there in BTech, and then you are talking about only MTech?
Yes, sir. From MTech only
Your
Manikant
CR
is
is
left.
for all.
Friday was not
Others,
able
of
to
course, they will get the 0 marks. They will be evaluated in that way only. Don't worry for that. Whatever the service rendered or whatever the effort made, they will deserve that much. They will earn that much marks. Don't worry for that. And others, what about other CRs who are left with? Now you can open after this presentation or before that itself total list of the students, and for them we'll keep on making 0, 0, and then who have submitted, not submitted, and that will be the final. Don't worry for that. And then you decide among yourself. Those who have not presented, so they can talk. And what about other CRs of BTech? Anybody? Nitesh, Prabhupada, Swati, Akshat? They are absent. Because in the last semester also many people failed. They could not prepare properly, they could not present. There was a 0 marks they got it, or F grade in that, in the previous semester also. So don't worry, whatever you do, you will get that. Okay, now over to CR.
Manikant, you can go ahead with your presentation.
Yeah.
Now see the time. Now it is 9:40. So within 8 minutes you should finish, so that 10 minutes are left for ultimate deciding your extra classes when you will try to have, and based on that you will be evaluated. And many are with 0 marks. They can earn or they can repeat whatever based on their
Your
assignments
slides are
submitted.
visual, Manikant.
Yes, thank you.
Continue.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, good morning to everyone. My name is Markant and I'm came from civil background. And this today I'm going to present on equipments used in longwall mining and how these equipments are used to control. Here, and this is the history of longwall method and how first this longwall method was introduced. What is meant by longwall? It is a form.
Manikanta, you are supposed to talk about something strata control.
Yes, sir. I will. I mean, I want to discuss what is about the history of longwall, and after that, I will go for the status.
You need not discuss history. You
yes,
direct
okay,
go to strata control.
Yes, sir. This is the history of longwall method, and the first in India it was introduced.
Straight away
in
go
September
to strata
1983.
control.
In India, the longwall was introduced.
Go to strata
Yes,
control.
sir.
This is not mining methods class. This is strata control technology.
Yes, sir. And this is the strata diagrams. This layer 1 to 5 denotes this layer or strata coal with around 10 meters height, and this white arrows indicates the stress acting downwards, and this curved dot lines indicates the coal seams after the deformations, and this the white block we can propose. I mean, this is the proposed support of strata. It may be a wooden pegs or steel pegs, and we may use the bricks we can use here. these strata control problems. Different equipments are used in longwall, and these are the equipments used in longwall mine. This is powered phase support, shearer, and armed phase conveyors and conveyor systems. This is the powered phase support, and it is also called as hydraulic jacks. It is around 1.75 meters, means 5 feet 9 inches wide, and placed in a long wall side by side up to 400 meters, and it can have an yielding rate of 1000 to 125 tons of each. And this photograph is taken from the Caterpillar website, which is one of the leading company of producing longwall mining equipments. And these hydraulic jacks are provided. What is the white part is shown here. These hydraulic jacks are provided to support these roofs to control the strata problems. And from this, when the hydraulic jacks are placed, the stress is controlled over here, and these strata layers are being placed on the hydraulic jacks. And this is a shearer, which is also called a coal phase by machine called shearer, and power loader. It is the machine can weigh up to 75 to 120 tons, which is placed in front of the hydraulic jacks. It have a cutting drums of 20 to 50 revolutions per minute. The shearer is carried along the length of the phase for armed phase conveyors. These are website one. By using this shearer, we can avoid the blasting in underground coal mines, which can avoid less stresses in the strata controls. This is the shear working at longwall phase. How the shearer is cutting the coal phases. And this is armed phase conveyor. Which is placed on in front of the roof supports. And see, in this here, around in front of the hydraulic jacks, one line is provided. In that place, this armed phase conveyors are provided to transport the coal, which is cut by the shearer. And this is also taken from the Caterpillar company website only. This is the how this armed phase conveyor is provided on the hydraulic. These are the advantages of long. One, it is the high recovery, low operating cost, and easier to supervise, and easier to train miners, clean coarse products, and simple ventilations. And these are the variants of longwall mining. And one of this technical principle is top caving. Why it is used means to recover what is the leftover of coal which is used in the underground mine after mining. And this is how the cutting sequence is provided. In this, the shearer is provided is in front of this front AFC, front armed phase conveyor, and two conveyors are provided. One it is the front conveyor, and the another one is the rear conveyor. When the shearer is cut down and these hydraulic jacks are moved front, and this the back which is left, which is the broken coal, is taken from down transported. And these are the advantages of longwall top coal cavings. One, it is greater than recovery of 75, which is more than the convenient coal, which is more than the normal method, and lower phase working heights, and improved spontaneous combustion controls, reduced operation costs, and improved production consistencies. These are the future requirements. Longwall should be promoted as a technical missions, and high-level trust groups should be constituted at national level to promote, coordinate, and interact different aspects related to longwall technologies. And R&D efforts are to be doubled to maintain a strata. These are the conclusion. Using of hydraulic chocks equipment, we can decrease the strata problems, and using of shearer, we can also avoid blastings, in which the stress can be decreased in these underground coal mines. And using of AFC, we can transport the coal in less cost and time. We can avoid traffic in underground mines also. And here are my references. I used Caterpillar website for the most of my for most of the longwall equipment, because Caterpillar is one of the leading producer of longwall equipments. From 1970s, when the longwall mining is introduced, this Caterpillar company are providing all the equipments used for the roof for extensive R&D and roof support technologies. I have used for longwall mining, I have used paper by Venkat, who is a site engineer in Australian minings. And he used the latest equipment from the Caterpillar website. I used for explanation, I used the Joint Mining Machinery websites. Yeah, thank you.
So any questions to our speaker? Any questions? No question? Okay. Now over to our CR.
Sir, from MTech, most of them have completed their presentation.
And any additional classes required. Now you can open this assignment one. I kept it here. so that as on 12th March, now we are left with around 12-13 minutes. Now based on their performance, they will be evaluated, and any additional classes we can also think of it, because there is as we used to say, for any subject, even our Ramayana or Mahabharata, whatever 40 classes we decide may not be sufficient, or that can also be covered within 4 classes, or otherwise 400 classes are also not sufficient. This all depends on how much we want to learn and interact, and we try to make it a balance of this situation of online, and try to plan our total syllabus and interaction along with learning based all these things. Now over to CR. Would you like to discuss on the total list now? I kept it here already, so that now itself I will decide 0 marks or whatever they have done. And many people already I told you, don't worry, depending on their effort and their inattentiveness, definitely they will be earning only that much. They may have to stay for 1 more semester. All this is being recorded and it will be there with everybody. Okay. CR, would you like to share that assignment list I have given? Or,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
okay, already I kept it here. Now over to others, if any doubts, because many got 0 marks because of improper preparation of assignment, what was submitted and those who are not submitted. If any doubts, they can have it, because we have provided all opportunities to improve our skills with all latest things. Any doubts about evaluation or about the subject or about your assignment process, whatever? TA, mid-sem, end-sem, whatever. Anybody can ask if any doubts. If there are no doubts, now our CR to continue with that, and then he will be updating what is the status. Okay, CR, you are ready now?
Sir, I'm sharing my screen from phone. I don't think I will be able to edit
No
it.
problem, no problem. You stop sharing it, I will screen. Or you can have a help of somebody. Because by the end of the semester, I wish that all the skills required are learned by you. If it is not, we will take extra classes, don't worry. Whether for your correction of the assignments made to improve further, or any doubts in our subject as per the pedagogy, as per the materials, whatever latest I tried, I was submitting to you people. If anybody want to share on your behalf, it's all right. Otherwise, don't worry, I can share from my side. If somebody is there, they should come voluntarily. Otherwise, don't worry, I shared it. Now,
okay.
now it is done. Okay. Now I am taking attendance as well as their marks. Of course, final marks I am not giving, but their status here. Now you can also note down CR as per the serial number in your notebook. Okay, Nikhil.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
You are not CR only for your MTech, for everybody, including our executive PhD scholars, BTechs, everybody, and they may be will be directed to you if they want to ask any queries to me or any doubts. Because when they get fail marks, they should not ask me, because many times they are given opportunities. They will be interacting with you. Okay, with the CR. Now, Srikar, if he is absent, I am keeping A, and about him, maybe 0 or we don't know. Is he presented it? Now somebody can respond. He submitted.
No, sir.
He submitted, presented. One is for the submission, another is for presentation. All 0. He is now also absent. Now Asutosh, he is absent.
Yes, sir.
He is present or absent?
Present, sir.
He is present. And his assignment submitted. Nikhil?
No, sir.
No, is 0 marks. And then presentation made 0 marks. Next, Manish, present or absent? Now
Sir.
we can continue. Manish absent.
Present, sir.
You have a data. give CR, Nikhil. And later all students
Sir,
should interact with only CR
BTech,
and yeah. Otherwise, no
BTech
problem. For
data
absent,
not with me. I think
don't
Nitesh.
worry, don't
Shared
worry.
it.
We know how to manage that. Vishal
Yes,
is absent.
Present, sir.
Next, Chintan. Absent. Chintan. Absent. Mohit. Absent, present. Those who are absent, don't worry for them. It is their responsibility later to justify themselves because 0 marks are given to them. Karthik Gupta is absent. Jayanta Kumar Jana. Are you able to hear the voice?
Yes, sir.
Kumar,
Yes, sir.
is absent. Vishal absent. Swadhin. Then others can communicate with our Nikhil CR. Okay, they are given 0 marks. Swadhin absent. Anish Kumar. Recorded versions are available to justify whether you get 0 marks, 10, 50, 10%, 20%, 30. F grade or what grade? Anish Kumar absent. Indrajit. Now Nikhil.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
You
sir.
are able to hear the voice?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Nikhil. Then Nikhil, you call.
Yes,
You
sir.
call and take whether they are present or absent. Then I will write here. Because there may be some
Indrajit
problem of
present,
voice
sir.
from my side.
Yes, sir.
Continue.
Indrajit is present, sir. I think
Ask him.
you have given your video for presentation, no?
Yes, I have given.
Not given. Have you presented it?
Sir, he has given YouTube link for presentation in
Yeah,
that
I
class.
have given YouTube link.
Then he will be presenting when? Next class. When he will present?
Okay.
When he presents. Give the date. Indrajit, give the date.
Sir, in the next
Whatever you plan. Okay. YouTube was given. Next, Neeraj. Absent. Hurry, continue. Can't you understand the
Robin
instructions?
Kumar.
Yes, sir. I already.
Oh.
Hello. Sir.
Yes, Robin.
Neeraj.
Sir, I already presented, sir.
Presented.
Okay.
So he
Yes, sir.
presented it. Submitted assignment. All these
Yes,
PP.
sir.
Next, Robin.
Yes, sir. Submitted all assignment. I have provided YouTube link.
No, YouTube when you are submitting, when you are presenting.
Sir, I am
Today,
right now.
tomorrow you decide. Decide with Nikhil. He will coordinate. Next,
Oh,
Chaman.
okay, sir.
Chaman
Absent.
Kumar Lath.
He is absent. Next, go to next.
Chakrapani
Chakrapani.
Mangalyara.
Absent. Next,
Sambodhi.
be fast. Absent. Next.
Manabesh Mohanta. Divya
Absent.
Prakash Mohanty. Jagdish Mohanty.
Present. Jagdish Mohanty present.
Jagdish is present, sir.
Jagdish is present.
sir.
As he present.
Manish Kumar
As he
Panda.
No, he is presented or not? His assignment.
No, sir. I have only submitted my assignment, sir.
No, you have presented or not?
Submitted assignment, but you have
Then
presented or not?
YouTube.
No, I have not presented.
YouTube.
Not presented.
Not presented. 0.
No, sir. Nothing. Yes, sir.
When you want to present, otherwise 0. Next,
Sir, next-
you decide.
next
You decide
class I
along
want
with Nikhil. Nikhil will coordinate this. Next,
Manish Kumar Panda.
absent. Next,
Prabhu.
Yes.
Prabhupada Panda.
Prabhupada Panda, present. Prabhupada Panda, present.
Okay.
Sir, I have submitted it, but I haven't presented yet.
Sir,
I'll
assignment
present in
submitted
the
but not
next class.
presented, sir.
only concerned person should talk. No other should talk. Prabhupada Panda,
Yes,
he has
sir.
presented or not, otherwise 0.
No. I have submitted
Not
the
pres-
assignment,
submitted, sir, but not presented.
YouTube, then your YouTube, you decide. You decide with your CR Nikhil. Decide the time to present this.
Mayank Rai,
Yeah.
Mayank Rai, Shubham Raj, Prabhu Prasad Rao,
Present, Swabhu Prasad present.
Deepti
Prabhu present.
is present.
Sir,
Then this is presented or not?
Sir, not presented yet, sir.
Not presented is
Sir.
0. And then
Submission
you
done,
coordinate
sir.
with Nikhil. Nikhil will coordinate. You
Okay,
talk
sir.
to him and decide the
Okay, sir.
time.
Okay, sir.
Decide.
Dipti Ranjan Sahu,
Deepti absent. Next. Pandava absent.
Present, sir.
Pandava
Present,
Sahu,
sir.
Harit is
Present.
present. Tell oh,
Present, sir.
Malay Kumar.
Present, sir.
YouTube also is
Submitted
not
your assignment.
very
Yes,
when you presented it.
submitted but not presented. Sir, I will present
Then decide with Nikhil. Decide.
Yes,
talk
Malay
to
Kumar
Nikhil and
Sethi.
decide.
Yes,
Malay Kumar Sethi, present. Malay sir, present.
sir. I have submitted but not presented it.
So 0 for
Akshay
him.
Shukla,
This is 0 for him. Then decide.
Akshay
Next.
Akshat Shukla,
Sir, presented. Yes, sir.
0. Next. Saurabh.
sir, presented, sir. Akshat. Present, sir.
Akshat is presented, sir.
Already presented PPT.
Yes, sir.
I submitted in the MS team also.
Saurabh Singh,
Saurabh Singh. Because all these things are recorded, everything is there. If it is wrong, you will be
Abhishek
getting 0.
Vaidya.
That's all, nothing else. Saurabh. If you
not
don't know
present.
how to understand instruction, you will be useless mining engineer. We don't want such data control engineers. They will be disasters in mines. We don't want such people. Continue. Saurabh.
Present, sir.
Saurabh Singh,
Yes, sir.
0. Next,
you have
Abhishek.
submitted your assignments and presentation.
Presentation is it done?
No, sir.
Abhishek Vaidya,
0.
Submitted but not presented, sir.
0. Next, Nitesh.
Nitesh Parihar,
Sir,
Nitesh has
presented, sir. Sir,
Jagabandhu.
presented, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's why I kept
Jagbandhu
PP.
Nayak,
Jagabandhu.
Jagbandhu also
Presented, sir.
presented, sir.
Yes, sir. Presented.
Next, Pawan.
Pawan Kumar Pradhan,
Continue. Now time is over.
sir.
Only within 1 minute you have to
I have
summarize.
presented and submitted it, sir. So from MTech, 4 people have not only 4 people have not done it. Rest of all of them have done it.
That you update along with this. Okay.
Okay.
This is a
Okay, sir.
status.
I will update.
This is a status now. With that MTex you update it. This is updated.
Okay.
Updated. I am also putting this. Okay. This file I will be keeping there. Now you decide the extra time, and those who would like to earn marks for 0 or F grade, let them be in contact with our Nikhil, who has been one of the role models I could see as far as this data control technology class is concerned. I appreciate him for taking excellent initiative, and all others should be in contact with Nikhil, whether they are PhD scholars or BTech students, and then decide the time and let me know for the next class, extra class, 40, 41, whatever is required. And already I told you, few were failed in the previous semester because they could not do it properly, and they will not be useful as data control engineers. If they go into any mines, they will be disastrous. Rather than solving the problems, they will be creating the problems. So that we don't want in our national education policy 2020. So now who is ready to summarize? Summary by whom? Somebody
Sir, I
should
will-
summarize.
Sir, Rohit, sir. Rohit. sir.
Rohit, yes, Rohit, continue.
So today we started the class with the Strata control cell, and in which we were studying about manpower for establishment of Strata and ground cell. There are three types of control cell. One is corporate, the second one is mining, and the third one is area. And then we went for the minimum number of instrument to be made for the respective level. Then for the instrument plan, for longwall phase instrument plan, board and pillar instrument plan, go. And then for the strata management, and then we studied about the laboratory method to measure in situ stresses. That is, the first one is hydrofracture method, over overcoming method, and acoustic emission methods. And we saw some numerical modeling in the open cast mining, that is Falc 3D, UDEC, and 3DEC.
Anything else anybody want to add? So this is a status. This also we discussed at length. Today is 12th March 2021 attendance and evaluation status of assignments, and Nikhil will coordinate for the total strata control technology, whether they are BTechs, scholars, PhD, MTech, whatever, and all students should be in contact with him, and then decide the time for their extra, and whatever is available, that will be utilized for the evaluation. So extra classes for 40, 41,
Sir,
whatever 42 you decide, and now we will close down with this. This is the latest
Sir,
status.
I need a.
If any doubts,
Sir, I
if any
need
doubts,
the number from BTech final year guys, sir, whom I can contact.
whatever if they are unable to provide, they will be getting 0 marks. There is no other way. If some instructions are given to strata control engineer, if he cannot perform, that is a dangerous situation in mines that we don't want. Okay. So today also we have seen excellent material of pedagogy what was made on these recent trends in the strata control or ground control, organization of strata control cell also. All those things we discussed, and already these materials were provided to you, what I kept it here. All the best, and then I will be looking forward for Nikhil to interact with me on behalf of all the strata control technology 6142 MN 6142 for additional classes. And if there are any doubts, of course, talk to me 9938303259 and email. Everything is there with you. All the best. Take care of COVID-19. Now Maharashtra, Nagpur is under lockdown for a week. So take care of it. First is a safety, and strata control is a part of our safety and stability. If we cannot understand, you will be dangerous to the mines. And I know that everybody is like Arjun, who will like to do their best in the strata control for our Indian coal mines or metal mines, whatever it is. Now with this, all the best once again. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. I am stopping recording now, and all these materials are there with you. All the best. और क्या बोलना है लास्ट में? Okay.
Jai Strata
All the
Control.
best. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Strata Control. Technology MN 6142.